Ladies and gentlemen, this is S&P 500. Today is the 9th, and as you can see, the market is struggling to break through this level. I expect the market to come and at least at this level and then possibly go up. But if this particular place does not hold, the market can come back, retest here, and go back. My personal reference is to wait for pullback. I prefer a pullback and then trade it upstairs, or wait for the market to come to this level right here and then a pullback, and then we can trade it upstairs. That is if we have good positive economic news. There's some meat from here to here. We can get a couple of points here until it trade to this level. Just be careful as we go into the summer months. I'm expecting a sluggish economy news, so be careful as we trade the S&P today. I hope this helps. I'll see you next time.